While doing the bigger things right, the focus is also on the small details, like providing an extra coupler with every unit that can be easily replaced at home. Or a brilliant example of Make in India. Sujata is a shining example of an Indian brand standing its own ground against the best names in the world.
Great pride in the quality of product that we make at Sujata. Our continuous focus on quality has built a strong link with our customers over the years. It's possible because of the rigorous test that we do before any unit is dispatched. We have a zero tolerance approach towards manufacturing defects. That's why all Sujata products are tough enough to withstand extreme heavy duty uses and last for decades without a problem.
If it leaves for its destination, it is thoroughly tested and double-checked to avoid factory lapses, so that there is always a happy and satisfied Sujata customer and user on the other side.
Hi, I'm Aata, one of the founding members of Sujata. Somebody said, manufacturing is a complex, but it is very simple.